How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Fluid Mechanics and 6. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe please, so that you'll help me to grow this YouTube channel. When you subscribe and then when you comment, guys, you help me to put some more videos. You give me that enthusiasm. When you comment, you post, you'll help me to post some more videos, to upload some more videos. Right. I supposed to hear the feedback from you guys, so I'll keep on posting more videos. Okay, we're still under the flow of water in open channels. Okay, we have a question here. It reads as follows: the water depth in a rectangular channel, right, is 0.25, is 0.25, whilst it is delivering 0.15 cubic meters per second. Calculate the quantity that will flow when the water depth is, we have two depths here, depth 1, depth 1. We have two depths, and also we have another depth. When the water depth, again, the channel is wide. Okay, we have one, the wide, only wide is 1 here. Simply, that means this thing, it's a one shape, it's a rectangular, but okay, fine, it's a rectangular. Okay, let me do this. It's a rectangular, but now the depth, it's a rectangular, it's wide must be the same. Let me 0.45, 0.45 meter is the same, but now the depth is not the same. When we extend this water, let's say that water will flow like this, in this direction. Okay, let me just try to construct something like this. But when somehow this thing must reduce from the perspective that I'm looking. I'm trying to understand this question here. Something like this paper, this section, I think. Right, yes. Sort of something of this niche. Here it's what? The depth here, it's what? The water travel in that direction. This is still the pipe. This goes on and on like that. So what I'm trying to illustrate here, I drawn 3D. In other words, here, when we check the width will be the same. The width will be the same, but will differ. The width is gonna be same, but the depth won't be the same. something like this. You have two. It's a rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. When we cut it like this small portion and this big portion, yeah, we'll have they've combined two rectangles with that does not have the same, yeah, they don't have the same depth. That means they will have same width will be the same, but the depth won't be the same. Something like this. There you can see, you can call it this, you can say this is 1, it's a rectangle 1, this is a rectangle 2, right? Both are the rectangle 1. Okay, let me make rectangle with a channel of 0 point, right? And I will say, okay, let me do like this. The small one, let it be here. The big one, the width is the same, which is this wide, 0 0.45, 0.45. Here, the depth of this one is 0.25. Just say 0.25. This is the depth. Then the depth of this one can say 0.4. Right. Rectangle 1. This is a rectangle 2. According to the question, that means the first one, because we'll deliver the Q1 will be equal to 0.15 seconds. Right. We don't know this Q2 here. We don't know about the Q2, because if you have this pipe, the water will travel, but here there will be change in velocity. It will affect the rate of flow and stuff. It shall calculate the quantity that will flow when the depth is, you see, they've just changed the depth. They something like they've combined these pipes, but with the same width. They'll have, like, they combine the pipe, the water will flow here, but the depth won't be the same. There will be a change in depth somehow. So how can we attack this? Because there will be we must combine these. We must find the area 1. Formula for area 1, we know area 1 is this, rectangle 1. Area 1 is this, the rectangle. We know the area is base multiplied by d. We have a depth. Okay, you can say depth 1. That's the formula. Also formula for area 2, we can say area multiplied by the depth of 2, right? Also we must use this weighted parameter 1. We know of this is 1, 1, 2, 3. That means they will have 2 depth plus p. P2 would be the same formula, will be 2 depth plus p. But here we're supposed to use depth 2, depth 1, right? Also we'll have m1 a over p. M will be a1 p1 a1 or p2 p2. Right. Then we'll find we have Q1, right, is good, but we don't have Q2. Let us apply. Step 1, let us calculate the areas. Let us find the areas. You can say area 1, we know is B multiplied by D1, or substitute base will be the same, 0.45 multiplied by depth of 1, which is 0.25. That will be equal to 0.1125 squared, right? Let me find area 2 will be B multiplied by D2. The depth B will be the same. The depth will differ 0.4 multiply 0.18 meter square. Right. Parameter 1, we know that is 2D1 plus B. Where's that 2D1? Here is D1. This one is D2, right? D1 0.25 plus B 0.45 multiply there. You're supposed to get 0.95 meter. Then P2 with it 2D2 plus B2, depth 2 0.4 plus B 0.45. There you're supposed to get 1.25 meter, right? We have that. Now go to M1 equal to area over P, area 1 P1. Area 1 is this 0.1125 divided by P1 0.95. You will get 0.188 meter, right? What about M2, which is area 2 over P2? Area 2 is this one, 0.18 over P2 is this one, 1.25. M2, when you punch 0.144, right, meter, right, we measured in meter. Therefore, did not tell us about K. There is no K. They did not tell us about C. Fine. There's no C. There's no K. They have not spoken nothing. M is not. They did not tell us about that. Right. So either way, why did not include this? If they did not tell us about C, that means we can consider it as 1, K as constant, I There's no I here. Gradient is constant 1. That means this thing will be constant, will be the same. Since this thing will be the same, it's up to you which. For the sake of M1 and M2, we're going to apply this formula, right? A multiplied by V, but now we have M. We're supposed to use those M's. You cannot calculate them. And then the formula that conclude, which has, is this one, C root M I. But now we don't have this. If we don't have this, that means these are constants. They are the same. So if these things are the same and they've linked this pipe, since they've linked this pipe, we must apply the ratios. The formula of the ratio is 2 ratio 1. No, this is area 1 multiplied by C into M1 1I over area 2 multiplied by C into M2 multiplied by I. The problem, this and this is they are the same. I and I is supposed to cancel. C and C will cancel. Square root of I and I will cancel. In other words, here we will be left with area 1 multiplied by the square root of M1 over area 2 multiplied by the square root of M2, which is, this is Q2 over Q1, right? That is the formula we're supposed to apply there, right? So we have this, let it right there, have Q2 over Q1, which is equal to area 1 multiplied by the square root M1 over area 2 multiplied by the square root that you know is why must be area 2, they're not corresponding. It must be I2, must be M2, must be 2. This and this must correspond, that and that must correspond. So usually that thing is wrong, it must be like this. Actually, Q2 over Q1 must correspond area 2 multiplied by C M2I, area 1 multiplied by C M1I. So here we'll just have area 2 multiplied by square root of M2 over area 1 multiplied by square root of M1. C and C will cancel, I and I will cancel because the same, we left the 2. Then we can apply this formula. We want the quantity that Q2 can make Q2 the subject. Q2 we multiply that will be Q1 multiplied by area 2 multiplied by the square root of M2 over area 1 multiplied by the square root of M1 right. We have this. We plug now. Let's substitute this Q1 we have here. It is 0.15 multiplied by area 2 is this one, 0.18 square root M2, where it's M2 is this one, it is 0.144 4. Right, you divide this by area 1. Area 1 is here, 0.1125 multiply by the square root of m1, which is 0.188 Right, punch this on your calculator. Supposed to get that. As you punch in your calculator, Q2 must be equal to 0.265 cubic meters per second. If you want it in liters, multiply by 1000. If you want your answers in liters, this will be 265 liters per second. Right, so we're done with this question. Thank you guys for your time. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel once more, and stay tuned as I'll be posting some new videos. I will upload a lot of videos. There will be a lot, yeah, every day. At least I will skip maybe one a day, but every day I'll post at least a maximum of 5 to 6 videos every single day. There will be a lot. Subscribe and stay tuned.